Reservation and its justification. Justification means something to be right as a response towards caste-based inequality. As a result of caste-based inequality, the worst hit are the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward classes. In order to bring them to the mainstream, the makers of Indian Constitution included certain provisions in Part 3rd, 4th, and Part 16th of the Constitution. Article 15, 16, 17 and 46 contain revolutionary provision for the creation of socialistic pattern of society for altruism. Altruism means a selfishless society. The aim of reservation policy is the establishment of egalitarian society. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe are empowered or allowed to exchange their socio-economic status through different provisions. The provision is made for the identification of other backward classes both by the central and state governments. They are empowered to appoint backward classes commission too. So let's see what are the reservations towards caste-based inequality. Number 1. Education. Article 15, clauses 4 and 5 of the Constitution provides reservation of seats to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and backward classes in educational institutions. Even the private aided and unaided institution must also reserve certain seats to the students belonging to these groups as per the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act. 15% of seats for scheduled caste and 3% seats for scheduled tribes are reserved. Right to education has also provided a reservation to these communities. Number 2. Employment. Article 16, Clause 4 of the Constitution provides equal opportunities to all in public services. Article 335 grants reservation for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in public service both in central and state governments. At present, the reservation for jobs in central and state government to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe stand at 15% and 3% respectively. The Mandal Commission, as we have studied earlier in identity politics based on caste, so the Mandal Commission is a socially and educationally backward class commission, and it's established on 1st January 1979 by Janata Party leader Prime Minister Morarji Desai. So the Mandal Commission report recommended 27% job reservation for other backward classes, that is OBC, in 1980, and later it was implemented in 1990. So number 3, let's see the reservation in Lok Sabha and Legislative Assembly of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe. Article 330 and 332 of the Indian Constitution provides reservation to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe both in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly respectively. Number 4. Local bodies. Article 243D of Indian Constitution seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in every panchayat in proportion to their population. Proportion means in the proportion to their population. Under the same article, that is Article 243D, the offices of the chairperson in Panchayat Raj institution are reserved for these groups. So these group means scheduled caste and scheduled tribes as per the law made by the state governments. For backward classes, also seat may be reserved by state government in any panchayat or offices of chairpersons. Article 243T provides for reservation of seats for these groups, that means scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes group in urban local government. Number 5. Abolition of untouchability. Article 17 of the Constitution of India provided for abolition of untouchability. The scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, prevention of atrocities. So atrocities means it is a cruel act done towards the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act was enacted by Parliament in 1989. It is also known as the Dalit Act. It came into force from 30th January 1990. It specifies, or the Dalit Act specifies, the atrocities or cruelties which are liable for severe penalties. Under Section 21 of Dalit Act, the state government are required to take effective measures for its implementation.